Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, October 12th, 2023. My name is Giovanni Benacour, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Alrighty then, so let's take a look at what we're seeing at in the Nasdaq and the market indices. Let's begin by taking a look at what I've mentioned yesterday, the crossover of the moving averages of the 10 below the 20. I mean, crossing up obviously above the 20. Is gonna indicate that strong momentum to the upside is being created, and that right now we're obviously seeing the opposite of that. But this could be a profit taken. This candle actually did open with a small gap down. It has been closed, obviously, but let's see if internally the market, if it does continue to retrace, it'll come back down to right around the 15350 level, okay, around here, and from here find again more support and take the market higher up to 15500. I have my target at 15600, but I think that it'll recuperate itself and continue to go higher. I mean, obviously I don't have a crystal ball, but that could be one scenario. Another scenario could be that the market could just continue to sell off and come back down as far as 1300, even 1500 or 15200. Okay, so that's for the Nasdaq. And let's take a look at the S&P. The S&P also opened up a small gap down, has been closed already. So internally for the S&P, 4,400 is going to be that psychological support level. I have my right below it. If it does come down to it, let's see if it'll find that support and take it back up towards a 4440 marker. The Dow, which I have a better view long term, that is, it'll close positive for the month. Right now it's retracing. We have been making higher highs, higher lows, so that could be just profit taking, an opportunity for others. The moving average is pointing right around the 34,000. Let's see, 33,988. So already the 34,000 marker, okay, round number. So that could be a position, an area of interest for us to see as it comes down towards it, and see if it wants more participation and takes the market higher. Okay, crude oil. Crude oil has finally closed that gap that it opened up in the week, and it is pushing higher. So initially, let's see if the 10-day moving average will give that resistance right around 86.15. Okay, I have my target at 87.15. Then Nat Gas yesterday had a really wild days, very, very wild swings. It is trending lower. Let's see if 320 could be that area of support. Okay, and obviously the moving averages are in a 45-degree angle, showing us a strength uptrend, but we are obviously in oversold territory, the RSI, so let's keep that in mind. Then we have gold. Gold is also in a very nice uptrend move. Okay, so initially we want to obviously come back up to the 1880. Okay, and that's the case. That's one of the internal psychological resistance levels for it. Okay, it'll bring us above the 50 marker in the RSI, which will indicate momentum building up to the upside. So 1900 will be our target, and let's see if this reach between today and tomorrow. I said Monday that we could probably see 1900 by the end of the month, end of the week. Sorry. And then we have silver. Silver is obviously also trading, pushing higher as it moves, as it makes higher high. It came out of that little concentration of consolidation zone that it started at the beginning of the week. Let's see if we have another momentum to the upside, just like this candle. So 2253 is my target. Then I have copper. I'm looking at copper. It could do another just leg down, basically the same type of candles, about the same height, and just the consolidation here and to a breakout to the downside. That could also be another scenario. So I'm going for 355 target on that momentum to the downside. The euro is pushing lower as the dollar index most likely is pushing higher. So As we see that happening, most likely the euro will continue. Let's see if 105.50 is that zone of support for it to stop and turn around. The pound as well. Let's see if the moving average, the 10-day moving average will serve as a support as it comes down, as it trades lower. And that will happen if the dollar index reaches 106 and higher. Okay, I have my resistance at 106.19. All right, that's it for me today. I wish you a fantastic trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.